Bullish Doge cost forecast goes from $0.100 to $0.310. Doge cost could likewise reach $1 soon. Doge negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.069. This Dogecoin price prediction video depends on specialized examination alone. Beneath, you will see the key measurements that we have thought about after concocting our Doge value investigation and forecast. Dogecoin is one of the digital forms of money in the crypto world that keeps on making clamor. Accordingly, financial backers all over the planet are presently intently observing the advancement of the disputable digital currency. As far as exchanging volume, Doge has a 24-hour exchanging volume that is around $397,484,249 as of now. Moreover, the Doge digital money is additionally renowned in the Reddit people group. Thus, numerous members of Reddit will generally join the Dogecoin frenzy recently. Likewise, the gigantic investment of Reddit clients has affected the cost of crypto of late, along with middle tweets from Elon Musk. What is Dogecoin, Doge? Dogecoin, Doge, is connected with the well-known Doge internet image and elements a Shiba Inu on its logo. Additionally, the open-source advanced cash was made by Billy Marcus from Portland, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer from Sydney, Australia. Notwithstanding, it was forked from Litecoin, LTC, in December 2013. Dogecoin's makers visualized it as a tomfoolery cheerful computerized money that will have more noteworthy allure past the center Bitcoin crowd, notwithstanding, it is connected with a canine image. Considerably more, Tesla CEO Elon Musk posted many tweets via web-based entertainment that Dogecoin is his #1 coin. Since we have a thought regarding Doge, do you figure Doge will be productive crypto in 2022? Go along with me and let us see the outlines in this Doge value examination and Doge cost expectation. Dogecoin, Doge, current market status. As of the hour of compassing this Dogecoin cost examination, Doge exchanges at $0.082, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $397,484,249. The cost of Doge has expanded by 1.82% as of now. Besides, Doge has an ongoing flowing stock of 132.67 B Doge. Presently, the top cryptographic money trades for Doge are Binance, OKEx, Cointiger, Upbit, ZBG, Gate.io, Kraken, Bitfinex, and KuCoin. Presently, how about we continue to the following piece of this Doge specialized examination for 2022. Dogecoin, Doge, Price Analysis 2022. Presently, Dogecoin holds 10th put on CoinMarketCap. However, will the most recent overhauls, advancement, and changes in the Doge blockchain assist the digital money with valuing to reach higher? We should continue to the outlines in this Doge cost expectation. Keltner channel is a specialized investigation pointer that is utilized to decide pattern bearings by estimating the instability above or underneath the candles. From the Keltner channel signals for Doge USDT, we can conclude that the cost of Dogecoin could get bullish since it had a new recuperation from its past decay. Notwithstanding, in the long haul, the cost could get bullish since top digital forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum are as of now getting negative from the new bullish run. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, measures the general force in the extent of late cost changes to reason oversold or overbought resources. The RSI worth of the one-day outline is 40.35. This shows that Doge is showing an unbiased pattern since its RSI lies somewhere in the range of 30 and 50. This worth can set off a bullish or negative run on the off chance that financial backers reposition themselves either towards the purchasers or vendors. From the outline over, the 100 MA is over the 50 MA, which implies that drawn-out financial backers would acquire. Be that as it may, since the hole between the two moving midpoints is wide and both moving midpoints are over the as of late framed candles, the cost of the Doge could keep up with its new gains for certain days. Dogecoin, Doge, Price Prediction 2022. The diagram beneath shows that Dogecoin has performed perfect throughout the course of recent days. In addition, the Doge cost is more than 4.8% over the most recent 7 days. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, Doge could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its $0.100 RESISTANCE1 level, and move higher to $0.310 at the RESISTANCE6 level, the 2022 bullish sign. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the bears could dominate and depose Doge from its upturn position. In easier terms, the cost of Doge could fall to nearly $0.069, a negative sign before any inversion could be anticipated. In the interim, our drawn-out Doge cost forecast 2022 is bullish. It has a high chance of outperforming its ongoing all-time high, at about $0.7376 as per CoinMarketCap this year. Notwithstanding, that will possibly occur assuming it breaks numerous past mental protections. Assuming this bullish pattern proceeds, Doge will reach $0.7023 toward the finish of 2022. Besides, the main portion of 2022 will show quick development, up to 27 cents before the ascent will combine. With impending organizations and advancements coming to $1 is very hopeful in the price tag of view, yet without a doubt plausible for the not-so-distant future. Dogecoin, Doge, price prediction 2023. In the event that Doge holds a relative strength index, RSI, over 60 toward the finish of 2022, purchasers will then, at that point, have adequate time and security to produce the following assault mission on the crucial level at $1.5 in 2023, making it not fall. However, play predictably. Dogecoin, Doge, price prediction 2024. According to the most recent overhauls, improvements, Doge cost forecast, and new venture estimates of the stage, Doge financial backers could expect numerous associations and mixes around 2024. Additionally, this could help the cost of Doge in the crypto market, and it will be all that venture, as the cost can spike and stretch around $3. Dogecoin, Doge, price prediction 2025. In the following 4 years, Doge costs could race up to $5. In any case, arriving at this level couldn't be so challenging for Doge, as extra medium, present moment, and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This demonstrates that Doge has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon in the following 4 years according to the forecast. Dogecoin, Doge, price prediction 2026. By 2026, the cost of Doge would reach $10, since numerous people will have better information on digital forms of money, accordingly, expanding the interest in the business. Dogecoin, Doge, price prediction 2027. According